Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is another hands-on experiment. While browsing through a few mobile gaming communities, I found a claim about getting extra gems and wildcards in Castle Busters without using a PC, installing unofficial apps, or modifying your phone. Instead of relying on screenshots or comments, I decided to test the process myself and record each step along the way. You'll get to see exactly what I tried and how the whole experience unfolded, so you can make up your own mind. Let's get started and see what happens. The first thing on my checklist was finding my player ID inside Castle Busters. I opened the game, navigated to my profile, and located the unique account ID. After copying it, I kept it saved so I wouldn't have to leave the browser and come back to the game later. That step was over almost instantly, so I was ready to move on with the rest of the test. Once I had my player ID ready, I opened Chrome and visited the website that had been mentioned in several mobile gaming discussions. I searched for Castle Busters, selected the game's page, and followed the steps that were provided there so I could evaluate the claims for myself. From that point on, I simply worked through the process to see how it played out from start to finish. Once I was on the page, there was a short form to fill. I picked my platform, iOS or Android, I'm on Android, and pasted in that player ID I saved. I double-checked it, hit connect, and it linked up with my account in just a few seconds. I'll be honest, I was a bit skeptical, but the page seemed to be using secure connections, so I rolled with it. Once it connected, it showed me different amounts of resources I could add. I picked the one that felt right for my account and pressed the generate button. From there, I just let the system do its thing in the background. Apparently, it routes through different servers and all that technical stuff. Right before the resources were supposed to land, there was a quick verification pop-up. They said it's there to stop bots from abusing the system, which honestly makes sense. It was simple. Just needed me to grab a free app from the official store and complete a tiny task inside it. They even had a short guide if you get confused. Took maybe 5 minutes. A little extra work, but nothing painful. Now it was time for the part I'd been waiting to see. With the process complete, I reopened Castle Busters and checked my account to find out whether anything had actually changed. The extra gems and wildcards were already there immediately. I didn't even have to restart the game or wait a few minutes. Everything appeared right away. I honestly didn't expect it to happen that. If you've ever seen similar methods being shared online or you've tried one yourself, let me know about your experience in the comments. I'd be interested to hear how it went. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more mobile game tests, reviews, and experiments, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.